What if, starting tomorrow, every car stopped, every factory shut down, and humans produced zero pollution? No smoke, no emissions, nothing. You'd be thinking the planet would start healing immediately, right? But here's the scary part, it wouldn't. Even if we stopped everything today, the Earth would keep heating for the decades. So, the real question is why is climate change so hard to reverse? Let's imagine the Earth is wrapped in an invisible blanket. This blanket is made of gases like carbon dioxide. Scientists call this the greenhouse effect. Normally, this blanket is good thing. It keeps the Earth warm enough for life. But over last 100 years, humans have been making this blanket thicker and more thicker. Burning coal, driving cars, running industries, and now the problem is this blanket doesn't just disappear. Once the carbon dioxide enters in the atmosphere, it can stay here for hundreds of years. And that means even if we stop today, we are still stuck with the pollution from the past. Here's where things get even more complicated. The earth doesn't react instantly. It's more like heating a giant pot of water. Even if you turn off the stove, the water stays hot for a long time. That's exactly what happens with our planet. The oceans absorb over 90% of an extra heat, and they don't cool down quickly. So, even after we stopped emissions, the heat already stored keeping affecting the planet, and this creates a dangerous delay effect. And now, imagine this. What if the problem starts fixing itself in a wrong way? This is where things get scary, and these are called climate feedback loops. Here's how it works. Ice melts, less sunlight reflected, more heat absorbed. More heat, frozen land releases more methane, and even more warming. Forest burns, less CO2 absorbed, faster warming. And it's like a domino effect. Once it starts, it keeps pushing the planet further in the same direction, even without human help. And now, you might be thinking, okay, then why don't we just stop? Because our entire world runs on energy. The most of that energy still comes from coal, gas, and oil. From your phone to transport to electricity, everything depends on it. Switching sounds simple, but in reality, it means rebuilding the whole cities, changing industries, transforming economies, and that doesn't happen overnight. There is one more challenge. Climate change isn't one country's problem, it's everyone's. Efforts like the Paris Agreement try to bring countries together. But here's the issue. Some countries depend heavily on the fossil fuels. Some are still developing. Some don't want to slow the growth. So progress becomes uneven and very slow. So, is it too late? Not exactly. We may not be able to reverse climate change quickly, but we surely can slow it down, stabilize it, and prevent the worst outcomes. Think of it like this: you can't instantly undo years of damage, but you can stop making it even more worse. And that still matters a lot. The truth is, climate change isn't just science problem. It's more about a time problem. The longer we wait, the harder it becomes to turn things around. So, the real question is not can we reverse it, but how much can we still save? If you like this video, kindly share your opinions in the comment section and follow this channel for curiosity satisfactions. Thank you.